Understanding. Let's order takeout. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might hear in everyday conversations. Let's order takeout. This phrase is not just about food. It's a window into the culture of dining and convenience in English-speaking countries. We'll break down its meaning, usage, and when you might want to use it yourself. So, let's get started. Let's order takeout is a suggestion that involves two main actions: ordering and takeout. Ordering means to request food or drinks from a restaurant. It's the process of choosing what you want to eat and then telling the restaurant your choice. Takeout, also known as takeaway in some countries, refers to food you buy at a restaurant but eat somewhere else. Unlike dining in, you're not sitting at the restaurant to eat your meal. When someone says, "Let's order takeout," they're suggesting that the group agrees to buy food from a restaurant and eat it elsewhere, usually at home. This phrase is commonly used in several scenarios. 1. When you're with friends or family and no one feels like cooking. 2. At the workplace, if the team decides to have a meal together without leaving the office. 3. During casual meetings or gatherings, where the focus is on convenience and enjoying each other's company without the formality of dining in a restaurant. To use this phrase effectively, it's important to consider the preferences of the group. Here are some steps to follow. Step 1. Confirm that everyone wants to order food. Step 2. Choose the type of food or the restaurant together. Step 3. Decide on how the order will be placed, online, over the phone, etc., and who will place it. Step 4. Ensure that everyone's food preferences and dietary restrictions are considered. Let's order takeout is more than just a way to suggest getting food. It reflects a culture of convenience, variety, and flexibility in dining that is prevalent in many English-speaking countries. It highlights the importance of communal eating and the shared experience of enjoying food, even if it's not in a traditional dining setting. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of the phrase, "Let's order takeout," and how it can be used in your everyday English conversations. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with others over food, offering a glimpse into the casual, convenient aspects of English-speaking cultures. Remember, language learning is not just about words and grammar. It's also about understanding the culture and context behind the phrases we use. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.